Hi everyone, I am Dr. Kaustubh Dhargarkar, an innovation consultant and design thinking trainer with more than 31 years of experience across various industry domains. I'm now a mentor with the GASP Sales Academy, which is an initiative for building sales productivity across ventures and sectors. During my practice, I've experimented with multiple tools for making innovation the DNA of my client organizations. Design thinking, with its emphasis on customer centricity and a multiple stakeholder perspective, always helps create holistic solutions. The interesting fact is that sales organizations can benefit immensely by applying design thinking principles, but this has perhaps not been adequately emphasized in general. The benefits of adoption of design thinking by sales professionals are huge, as sales improvement impacts the overall business health and of the whole company. I'm glad to inform you that I will be conducting the design thinking workshop delivering sales innovation at GASP Sales Academy from the 25th to 28th of October, 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. every day, Indian Standard Time. This special workshop has been designed for all founders, entrepreneurs, marketing and sales leaders, and will help build sales process innovation for superior customer experience, improving sales productivity, generating more leads, and of course, rewiring sales operations for sustained benefits. So register now, scan the QR code, or use the link shown in the screen to book your seat with me at this workshop. If you have any queries, please feel free to contact us at the number provided. I look forward to have some stimulating conversations with you during the workshop. See you.